Here's how to withdraw money from Stake to FamPay. The first thing that you need to do is go to the website of stake.com. Afterwards, after going to the official page, you will be redirected on this. If you don't have an account, click on register. Now, if you already have an account, click on the login options and enter the credentials needed. Afterwards, on the dashboard on the right side, you will see there the wallet options. What you need to do is to click on that icon. After clicking on that icon, you will see there deposit and withdraw. Of course, since we are going to withdraw, click on the withdraw options that you will see beside the deposit options. Afterwards, for the last step, what you need to do is to enter the details that you are going to withdraw with, and then enter the amount to withdraw and the withdraw to, which is the FamPay. Click on continue, and you have successfully withdraw.